Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to fix Instagram story mention problem. In order to fix this issue, the first thing that you need to do is to simply check for updates for Instagram. In order to do this, you will have to launch your Google Play Store or App Store, and in the search bar you will have to search for Instagram and then you need to press search. Once done, you are going to see Instagram application. So if you tap on it, it will show you whether you are getting any update for your Instagram app or not. If you are getting the update, then you need to tap on the update button, and once it is updated successfully, you need to launch it and try to mention someone in your story and check whether this problem is fixed or not. If the problem still persists, then what you need to do is to simply launch your settings, and in the settings you just have to scroll down and then tap on apps. Afterwards, you need to tap on Instagram and then you need to tap on storage and cache. Over here you need to tap on clear cache and then the Instagram cache will be cleared. Afterwards, you need to launch your Instagram app and then you need to tap on this plus icon. Then you need to select any of the photos, and after that you need to tap on this sticker icon in the top. Over here you need to tap on this mention tab, and here you will have to mention someone. Afterwards, you need to press this arrow button in the bottom right hand corner of the screen, and with the help of these two methods you are definitely going to fix the issue of Instagram story mention. If the video was helpful, then don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching.